Good morning, CG. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Gabe.
And this is your CGTV Broadcast for Friday, September 26th.
On Wednesdays during AIM in the Media Center, the National Honor Society students offer tutoring to students in a variety of subjects, including math, science, English, and social studies. Tutoring has benefits for both the tutors and the students being tutored.
Yeah, I think that sometimes teaching other people concepts can help you understand them better.
Some tutors may specialize in a particular subject area.
Well, I love science, so talking about science is always a plus to me. I'm never mad to talk about science.
Students have learned a number of tips and tricks after helping students.
I would say just continuing to work through all of your homeworks and this questions you don't know, to go and ask your teachers for extra help instead of not asking the questions. And also there's many tutoring opportunities within our school, and it's not something you shouldn't go do, and it's really been.
If you need help in school, sign up.
Last week was the choir's Fall Fest, and next week the music department will host the orchestra and band concerts. But some students also make their own music. 4 such students have joined together to create a band, the Unlucky Rabbit. Michaela Woolfork brings you the story.
I'm Hans.
I'm Will.
I'm Bastian.
I'm Alex.
Formed last year, the band Unlucky the Rabbit started out as a group of friends in choir, and now has become something bigger. Let's start with the guitarist, Bastian Miquez.
Jamming by myself in my room, and I'm like, oh my god, that sounds cool. And then I kind of record myself playing it, and then I'll make a bass line for it. I'll show it to Alex. He has some lyrics, maybe I make some lyrics, and then it kind of just comes together like magic. It just appears out of nothing. It's great.
Miquez needed members when he was struck by luck and met Duncan Killian, who started drumming after being inspired by a movie.
What made me start playing drums was the movie Whiplash, but what made me start being in a band was Bastian just kind of tagging me along.
Working on original music can be challenging, not only for the lyrics, but also for the musicality. Hans Lockhart is the group vocalist.
There's a lot of areas where they are doing stuff musically, and I'm not currently doing anything, and I find it kind of hard to figure out what to do during those moments. It's something I'm going to have to figure out, but it's a little challenging.
Alex Acosta is a bassist who has known Miquez since he had another band, before he started Unlucky the Rabbit.
For 7 months now. Yeah. And what made me want to start playing? So funny story. I actually showed up to rehearsal back when Bastian had his old band, and I was joining as a vocalist, right? But this guy's like, oh, we don't have a bass player. Do you want to do that instead? And I was like, I've never played in my life, but I'll sure darn try. Next practice, he brings his old bass out. I play it, and he's like, oh my god, you're a natural. You should be the bassist. And so ever since that happened, I was like, you know what? I got to prove myself. I got to show him that I'm a good bass player and that, I got his back as his friend. So it was pretty cool.
You can find Unlucky the Rabbit on Instagram.
I mean, number one goal,
Get famous.
Number one goal, release at least one album.
And together we are Unlucky the Rabbit!
Thanks, Michaela.
After placing second in the sectionals match on Tuesday, the girls' golf team travels to the Legends Golf Course to compete in regionals this weekend. Here's Brandon Tripp with the story.
The girls' golf team will tee off in regionals on Saturday. The team is coming off the back of a second-place finish to Franklin at sectionals, which will be one of the schools vying for a top 3 spot.
Definitely Franklin. That's been a very back and forth all year. And Batesville will be a competition. If they show up with their A game, we just have to compete.
The team has had 4 matches at the Legends this season, and the team looks to use the experience from those rounds to help better prepare themselves for the match.
They've helped me prepare because I get to see what I'm expecting, and I know what shots to hit because I played it multiple times.
Going into the regional, the team feels that there is one area of their game that needs work for them to be successful.
I would say we need to focus definitely around the green with our putting and chipping. That's definitely where we lose the most strokes.
To help improve, the team has been working with different drills in practice to help both putting and chipping.
Well, we've been doing a lot of putting drills, ladder drill helps us with our distance, and compass drill helps us with alignment. And we've been doing
up and down drills with our chipping, and it's been improving us.
Not only does the team need to focus on their short game, but they will also need to be mentally focused on the round ahead.
I have a lot of nerves going into because I don't want to let my team down. I also don't want to let myself down. I get a song stuck in my head to try to not let me think about it too much, and it's helped me a lot.
I need to focus on my mental game and getting out of my head so that I'm not frustrated the whole time.
Come support your Trojans tomorrow morning at 9:20 a.m. at the Legends Golf Club in Franklin. This is Brandon Tripp, back to the studio.
Thanks, Brandon.
Hey, have you ever wondered what your teachers looked like when they were your age?
You know what? I have.
Well, Natalie Vance and Mason Lee found some pictures of teachers around the school and surprised them this week.
What's up, CG? I'm Natalie.
And I'm Mason. And today we're going to be asking teachers to sign old, embarrassing pictures of themselves.
You want my autograph? I always knew this day would come. Where did you get this?
I don't know. I just found it.
I bet you didn't know I was a cowboy. Oh my! How did you even find this? What?
I just found it.
Where do you get this from?
The archives on Facebook.
The archives.
Are you able to sign this piece of paper for me? Just autograph it?
Yeah.
I think you're really cool and I really want your autograph.
Where did you get that?
That's well done. That is well done. Where'd you guys get that?
We just have connections.
That's well done.
Thank you.
Good work.
Can you sign this?
Can I sign it?
Yes.
Of course.
On the inside.
Oh, yeah. That is a good looking dude right there. Absolutely.
We're filming for CGTV. Can you sign this for me?
What am I signing?
Just open it up.
Okay, so I open it up. Where did that come from? That's old school.
That's old school. Thank you.
So this is what we're doing?
Yeah.
I have a joke.
Can you autograph this?
Can I look and see what's inside of it first?
Yeah.
I really can?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. So you just want my autograph on my high school photo?
Yeah.
My senior year? Isn't that funny that you're using the color of the coat I was wearing? So,
one question is, can you sign this?
What is this?
It's just we just want your autograph.
What is this? Who is on my Facebook page?
I don't know.
What in the world? No, that's terrible.
So you can't sign it?
Sign what for me?
That paper, in there.
The smile makes me nervous.
No.
Oh, yeah. I gotta say, I'm retiring soon-ish. The people responsible for this are probably going to be held accountable at some point. So if you don't want to be in the circle of collateral damage, I don't know. Yeah, you might want to be kind when you're putting together your news story because this is going to cost somebody.
So my question is, can you sign this? You'd open it up.
Okay, it's no pictures.
My question is, can you sign this piece of paper for me? No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Oh, you did find a picture. This is actually from, what's it called? For the yearbook.
I know, that's where we got it. We looked through all of our yearbooks.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
here you
you.
go.
All right. Those are some bad pictures. Back to the studio.
Thanks, Natalie and Mason. Tune in next Friday for a new episode of Trojan Talk.
Social media is used for a lot of different things. Watching videos, posting pictures, and keeping up to date with friends. But Miller Walker and his mom have amassed a following with their craft and DIY account. Here's August Vermillion with the story.
Trends and treats. Junior Miller Walker runs a food hack Instagram after school. While some students work or play sports after school, Walker is busy creating content. What started as a fun project a few years ago has exceeded his wildest expectations.
So our account is, we make tons of fun recipes and easy recipes that don't require a lot of ingredients but are still really great, and a lot of people love watching them to get tips on how to make things. We've been doing it since 2023, March. So it's been like 3 years now. We are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Originally, it just started as, for fun. We didn't think it was going to become anything. We were just showing our cool cooking tips and recipes online. But it got a lot of traction. A lot of people were watching it, and so we stuck with it.
For Walker, the average video usually takes him about an hour.
A normal video, we decide what we want to do, if we want to, what hack we want to try and do, or what recipe we're going to be making for the day. And then we lay out all of our stuff, we make it, and once we're done, we get all the right videos and angles. I or someone else will edit it, and then we'll upload it to our platforms.
Our most viewed video is on our Instagram, and it has 16 million views.
Social media is always changing from trend to trend. Walker tries to capitalize on these fleeting movements.
One really cool experience is some social media accounts for food companies like Pillsbury have commented on our videos and said how much they liked them and DM'd us on how good they are. We have been able to make profit. When videos do really well, we do get some money from it. In total, around 200,000 across all of our platforms.
Walker is developing skills and habits that will help him for years to come.
A lot of patience. Sometimes when I don't get some of the angles right, it's definitely taught me that. Also some skills in social media and how it works and how to really grow it to its best that it can be. Definitely determination. You gotta be consistent with it. But you also have to like what you're doing and enjoy what you're doing. But if you have all those things, then it's not that difficult to grow with it.
Walker has worked very hard on his social media account, and he has a bright and open future ahead of him. Follow Miller Walker, see the link on screen.
Thanks, Augie.
That's all we have for you today, CG. Follow us on Instagram at CG Trojaneer and at Trojaneer Sports for daily updates, or go to our website at trojaneer.com. We'll see you next week. Bye.